Hey, what's going on? Ryan DePaul here, and today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to myAI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, myAI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how myAI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
Okay, so in this video, what we're going to do is share with you the very first step of the STAR system. And the very first step is to post on social media. So I'm going to click to post on social media. And the easiest thing that you can do is come in here and click on Surprise Me. This is everybody's favorite when you don't know what to do or what to say, but you know you need to keep a constant presence on social media. Clicking the Surprise Me button is the answer to everything. Go ahead and make sure that you get in here, click on the Surprise Me button, and what you're going to get is an optimized post with an image, caption, and an image for multiple platforms. That means you're going to get a great post for Facebook. You're going to get a great post for Instagram. You're going to get a great post for LinkedIn. And you are also going to get a great post for X. So you can see it here, and it says, bringing up 3 kids single-handed, Jay, Frankie, and Bella. I've learned that gratitude is the key to happiness. Every single day presents its own blessings. So if I go ahead and click on the Instagram one, what it says here is, what a ride it has been raising my lovely tribe of 3, Jay, Frankie, Bella. So this one is optimized for Instagram. This one is optimized for LinkedIn. And this one is optimized for X. So let's see how easy it is to post to Instagram. We're going to go ahead and click to post and then get started. We are going to follow the directions that are here. So go to Instagram, create a new post, add an image from your computer's downloads folder, and paste the text. Let's do it together. I'm going to click on post, and right here, it's going to open up Instagram for me. I'm going to click to create a post. I'm going to select that image from my computer. You can see it here. And I'm going to click on next again, and I'm going to paste a great caption here, and all I have to do is click to share. That's it. It's the perfect post. You're just going to repeat these steps for each one of the platforms that you want to post on. Let's say you wanted to post on LinkedIn. You're going to click to get started, and it's going to share with you those same directions. So let's click to post on LinkedIn. And here I'm going to click to start a post. I'm going to add my media. So LinkedIn image, it's already there in your download folder. You're going to click on next, and all you have to do is click on paste. It's already copied for you. You can see I didn't do any extra steps copying to a clipboard. It's already done. I'm just going to click on paste, and it's the perfect caption for LinkedIn. I'm going to click to post, and just like that, I have a great post for LinkedIn. Now, we're going to do the exact same thing for Facebook, right? We're going to go right on over to here. We're going to click to get started, and we're going to click to post. What's on your mind? I'm going to go ahead and grab that image from Facebook. I'm going to click to open it, and I'm going to click to post, right? And click to post. And that's how easy it is to post to social media using the Surprise Me button. Thanks so much for watching.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of myAI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that myAI can do and offers to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on myAI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so. And I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.